Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on a Camry, and we're going to be doing a Starlight roof on this headliner. I'm with my boy Nate, and we're going to show you step by step how to take it apart, the steps of doing the Starlights and the final product. So stay tuned. We start off with the visors. There's these little clips that are in like this. You just switch to the left, pull down, that comes off. Then there's these torque bits. Take those off, visor comes off. There's no wire since this one doesn't have no light. And then you come over here, you take off the handles, and then do it all around basically. Then you come here. This is the center pillar, the seatbelt pillar. You take this part off, make sure you take the weather strip off. There's two clips here, you pop them out. Oh, and that's loose. For the pillar, that pillar, you pop it out, and then there's this little clip here. It's like this. You gotta twist it, and then it'll slide off. You gotta use those little pliers to be able to do it, and it comes right off. Next, we're gonna show you those rear pillars, and then to take off this. After that, headliner should be done. All right, the rears has 3 clips. You pull it, and it comes right off. Oh yeah. Same thing back here. Visors, not the visors, the handles. You'll come over here and pull these out, and then we'll focus on that one right there, and the headliner should be out. So when you come take this out, it's like this. You gotta use a popper to take out 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, and then there's hooks back here that hook onto right here. So you bring it out like this. You unplug the wire. Hold it. And it's up. All right. So once you get the headliner out, you place it down. You make the dots, the holes for the stars. This kit is 550. So we're gonna divide 550 in 4 quadrants. Basically up there has 120, down here has 155 each. I think I did the math right. But yeah, so then once you do that, you grab a drill that has a little drill bit like this, big enough for the stars, and then you drill them in little by little, carefully, so you don't mess up the headliner. Make sure you wear gloves if your headliner is beige, so you don't get them dirty. And yeah, we'll do that now. All right guys, my bad for not recording. It's been a crazy day, and we got sidetracked with the car. But basically, warning, if you didn't have the roof wrapped in suede or black cloth, you will see the dimples. This is just the foam coming out of it. But once you get the stars holes drilled, you put the fiber optics each to each hole, then you clip them. If you don't have fabric on it, black fabric, you'll see the dimples all over the headliner. Now once you have that on, you'll have to wire up the box. I ran the box from the headliner to this side right here behind this pillar, and it goes down into the trunk. So once it's in the trunk, the big cable goes and connects to here. Once it connects to there, you connect the power cable, and it depends. In certain situations, some people have amps back here. You connect the amp, the power, the white wire to the amp for power and ground, the black one to ground, In this case, we're actually gonna wire it up, and then we're gonna run it to a fuse in the front, so when the car turns on, lights turn on. It's by control, so it turns on and off with the control. But yeah, so sorry I couldn't show you when the stars were actually being pulled and whatnot, but it's fairly simple. Once it's on, you put everything back together. If you don't have black fabric, make sure you have gloves on so the beige doesn't get dirty. And basically it goes back to the wiring. Bring the wiring up to here into the fuse box that's right there. I'll probably put it on not the cigarette lighter, because the cigarette lighter stays on, so you take it off. There's a little cover here which tell you everything facing like this. So I'll probably put it on. See, so this one is the power, the outlet. You could probably do it to the ignition right here, one of these two right here, or you could do it to washer. I'm gonna do it to washer. It's a 20 amp, so I'll protect it. So yeah, you just wire it up going this way, and we'll show you once. All right, so you run the wire. This is just right now a test run, so you guys can see. I'll run it with the garment here. I'll go to here. It's like I told you, it's coming up from that pillar. It comes down here into the box. The ground and power here, I actually grounded it down there, onto metal, with electrical tape covering it. So it's on. You put on the antenna, that's for the Bluetooth, and you get this. Can't really tell because of the light. Let me see, I can turn off the lights and I'll show you guys. All right, so lights are on. They look great. With the controller or the app, that's the barcode is over there for the app. You change different colors. It looks pretty great. Of course, white. And then you can put the speed up. I like this one because it fades to different colors, which is really cool. It came out really good. But yeah, so yeah, I wired it to the ignition like I showed you guys. I'll probably do it to my own Camry. This is actually a client's Camry. But I'll probably wrap mine in suede, so you guys will see the difference between the beige and then the suede headliner with the Starlights. And I'll probably go crazier with a lot more stars. This was only $550, so it wasn't that much. I apologize again for not filming everything. We're just crunch on time. We also put on a duckbill on it, diffuser, and then side skirt and apron on it. So we're doing multiple stuff at once. It's a heavy day, so it was a heavy day, so I have other stuff. The Z went out to get some work done also. A lot of stuff going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Want to see a more detailed video, let me know in the comment down below, and I'll make another one. And but thanks to you guys for all the support that you guys have given me the past year and a half or so. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do any of this. I want to thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Stay tuned. There's a lot more videos to do. We had the van, we have the Z, the Camry's still not out yet. We're still doing more stuff to it. It'll be a surprise. So stay tuned to the next video, and on to the next one.